how you can check your system's performance. Now, without any further delay, let's jump right into it. First, just go to your start menu and then search for performance monitor. You can see this one right here. Just open it up, and after you open it up, this is the interface that you'll face. Now here you'll have to just go to your performance monitor right here. Okay, my bad. You'll have to go to your data collector set right here and then go to system. Now under system you will see these two. One is system performance, another is system diagnostic. Now when you're on system performance, you can right click on it and tap on start. I've already done this, so I won't be going through it again, but after you tap on start, you will have to go to reports right here, and after you're on reports, go to system again and go to systems performance. Now for you who have just done this, it will take some time, and it might take some I don't know, about 1 to 2 minutes to generate this report, but after it's generated you will see something like this. So this is your system's performance report. Here you can see your name, your duration, your summary, you can about how much your diagnostics results are, and your performance of your CPU, your network, your disk, memory, and even your CPU's everything, your CPU's performance right here, process, service, and so much more. You can even check your network, disk, memory, and report statistics. So this is how you check your system's performance, guys. This is all for the video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and don't miss out on our future videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, take care.